Today I'm going to do a demo of the Marvell development environment, show you kind of where I'm at, what progress I've made to this point. This is the BGZ Q4K board. It's the Marvell Armada 4K for playing back UHD video. Here's my setup. You can see I've got over here power connected. Right now I'm doing wired Ethernet, although I can do wireless as well. This is the HDMI cable going out to my test monitor. Over here I plugged in USB devices going out here. There's a USB mouse and keyboard, and there's a thumb drive for test media that I'm using for various purposes. This board boots into Android. You can see the Android desktop here. Eventually we won't be using a desktop, but for development purposes this is very convenient. If I go over and click on the apps that I have installed, what I've done to this point is I've ported the Depict frame player that we've been using in our test environment for our virtual frame. You can see it here. This is an Android version of that. This is just basically a web app that gets launched and renders web pages. So I'll show you that working. And for this demo, I've got an iPad for showing control of multiple devices. This is my standard test web page that I use. You can see in here, this is a list of available frames that it's found. The frame it's finding is a Marvell test frame. So I'm going to go ahead and cast, and when I do, it should launch the frame player on the Marvell box. So I'll click that, and as you can see, it launched the Depict Frame Player. So now let me go ahead and launch. This is a test video. I'll go ahead and load that up. And you see this is the Depict artwork. And you can see what I can do is actually pause it there. Even though I didn't launch it there, I paused it on my iPad. If I go back to my MacBook, I can start it again. And it's playing. And I'll just load another test video. This is a standard Big Buck Bunny, 4 megabits per second. Let me just load that. There's a flash that I have to get rid of, but so again, you see this starting up. And again, as you can see, I can go ahead and pause it on my iPad. If I want, I'll restart it there. Now, if we go back to, this is the test Depict site that we've been playing around with. And let me see if I can launch. Okay, so here we go. Cast 2 frames. Hello. Okay, it's just taking a while. Okay, to refresh list. I can see the Marvell. So this is going to launch that image. One of my favorite. And let's see if we can go back and find a movie. It's a standard movie. And let me try casting that. Things got really slow all of a sudden. Don't know why. Okay. Refresh the list. Come on, there we go. Marvell test frame. As you can see, I can also pause here, play. Anyway, you get the idea. There's a lot going on under the covers for this. The oops. The Depict Frame Player was launched remotely. I don't have Node running on Android yet. I just have the Depict Frame Player running, so I had to do some hacking to get that to work. But anyway, that's it for now. Ciao.